Watch what happens when light hits this metal. Ultraviolet photons hit the surface. They transfer energy to the electrons, ejecting them instantly. This is the photoelectric effect.
Ultraviolet photons strike a clean metal cathode, ejecting photoelectrons toward the anode. This flow creates an electric current.
When struck, a tuning fork vibrates. This produces sound waves. The box amplifies this sound through resonance. This demonstrates acoustic resonance.
Watch as a powerful magnet moves. This motion induces circular eddy currents. They flow within the conductive copper plate. These currents create an opposing magnetic field.